In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash screen overlay detected problem. If you've ever tried to use GCash and suddenly saw a screen overlay detected message, don't worry, you're not alone. This alert usually appears when another app is drawing over your screen, which can block GCash from working correctly. A common example is an auto-clicker app that places floating controls on top of other apps. Today, we'll fix this by addressing the auto-clicker's cached data. It's a quick, safe process and won't delete your personal information or settings. We're simply clearing temporary files so GCash can run without interference. Start by opening your phone's settings. Depending on your device, this might be a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, look for the section that manages your applications. It may be labeled Apps, App Management, Application Manager, or something similar. Tap to open it. Next, scroll through your installed apps and locate your auto-clicker, the one that places buttons or controls on the screen. If you use an app named GC Auto-Clicker, tap that. You'll now see the app's information page, which shows things like permissions, notifications, and storage. Find the storage option. On some phones, this might be labeled Storage and Cache. Open it, then tap Clear Cache. If your device asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm. Clearing the cache only removes temporary files the app has saved. It does not erase the app's data, your settings, or anything personal. This simple reset helps remove the overlay conflict that GCash is detecting. Once that's done, you're ready to use GCash. Return to your home screen, open the GCash app, and log in normally. The screen overlay detected warning should no longer appear, and you can proceed with your usual transactions. If your menus look a little different, don't worry. Android manufacturers sometimes rename these sections. The key is to get into Settings, open the list of apps, choose your auto-clicker, go into Storage, and clear the cache. Take your time navigating those screens and you'll find the right options. To recap, the issue is caused by another app displaying over GCash. By clearing the cache of the auto-clicker, you remove the temporary files that can trigger the overlay warning, allowing GCash to run smoothly again. That's it. Follow these steps and you should be back in GCash without that overlay message getting in the way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix the problem quickly and confidently.